Hello everyone, welcome to our Herotel online onboarding training video. Today I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of signing up customers on our new upgraded website. This video is designed to help you understand the do's and the don'ts of the portal. Please pay attention. So now when you come to the site, you will come here where it says search for coverage in your area. You type the address. Make sure you always begin by the house number. Okay, Benjamin. Now, when you type the address, it must be flagged at the bottom here. So Benjamin, and then also confirm the location name there. So this location is in Mwedi. And then once you're done clicking the address from the drop-down menu, then you click search for coverage in your area. And then you'll arrive here. There's two options, the Hero Fiber. This is MRR. This is monthly recurring customers, the contract one. This is handled by internal sales. And then you will come on this one where you sell the prepaid. So this is a prepaid fiber. So you click on it. So as you can see, you're on step number 1. So you scroll down, you select 199. And then from there, you select I'm a Herotel contractor or sales agent. And then you come and put in the customer details. I'm putting this for training purpose. And then you select individual. So here you put additional details of the person that probably might be staying with the customer. So here, this is where you must punch in the name of your company. If you are a Herotel ambassador, you must put Herotel. If you are a contractor, you must put the name of the contractor. And then here, as you can see, it says agent code. This is where you must put in ambassador code or unique sales agent code. Please take note, this is very crucial. This is very important because if you put incorrect code here, you are not going to get an SMS that will help you bypass the OTP stage. So I'm putting BR. This is my unique ambassador number. So, and then once you're done, you select this checkbox and then you select next. And then you select freestanding house. Now, when you come here, always please take note. Make sure that the address displayed there is start with the house number and then the 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 street name and then the location. If there's no house number here and there's no street name, please take note. You need to put the details here, full address here, house number, street name, and the coordinates. So in this case, the address is being picked up by the system. So I'm just gonna give the technicians um, the an idea how to find the house. So it's a pink house at the corner. So once you're done putting additional notes, please also on additional notes, put also the other name of, let's say the other name is uh, John, and then John's number is 081 222 yada yada yada. So put another contact details of another person apart from the first one that you put when you start on the first page. So this is for control purpose. We don't want to struggle to get hold of the clients. And then you select terms and conditions, you select next, and then you will arrive on this page. This is step number 4. So once you arrive here, by this time you should have received an SMS. I'll show you now. Here are the SMSs. You receive 2 SMSs, and then the first SMS, as you can see there, it is ambassador order confirmation. It has a portal link there. It also confirms your unique ambassador code and the customer name there. Then the second SMS is basically containing the easy pay number. This is for the customer. Customer also receives the same SMS as this one. It also have the account code. Now you focus on this link. You click on this link. Then you land on this page after clicking that link. This page, this is where you confirm the customer details, the address, the name, the surname, and then you accept here. Scroll down, you also accept here. As you can see here, it's Flexi Starter Pack. And then you accept also the payment. So basically, payment terms, you 199. And then you come here, you click where it says upload document. You click there, and then you go to your to your phone, and then you upload the ID. Once you're done uploading the ID, you will see it is written there, the customer ID, to show that it's uploaded, and then you click submit, and then you're done. As you can see here, it shows everything. Even at the bottom, it shows the ID that you have downloaded. You can download this or print this if you want, but when you arrive here, your customer is successfully signed. Thank you.